Today I'm going to make a last-minute chicken. If you've just come home from work and you need to make some chicken in a hurry, this is an easy way to do it. But I have marinated it for at least an hour in the refrigerator, and of course if you marinate it 24 hours in advance, that's even better yet. I'm going to explain to you my marinade sauce, and also I'm going to show you my salad shooter, make us a nice dinner salad, and I'm going to make Caesar salad dressing from scratch, as well as some mixed vegetables with a butter sauce. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Let's start with the ingredients. To make this chicken, I have mixed up a marinade sauce, and it consists of Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, and some salt and pepper, and I've put it in a Ziploc bag. Now you want to marinate at least 30 minutes in advance. I've done over an hour, and of course 24 hours is even better yet. So I have chicken breast in here for us, and these are what we'll use. I also am going to make us a dinner salad, and I'm going to show you my salad shooter. So let's get started with a few things. I'll make some room here. Here's my mixed vegetables. Get those going here, just like that. And then I have the butter, which you just throw in to get it started. I can move a couple of things out of the way. I also am hard boiling some eggs for the salad, so those will be set. Now, this is going to be cooked on a broiler, so rather than baking it. So I have my broiler dish here. I'm also going to be doing a review of this broiler dish. I haven't used it yet since I got it, but I think that I want to put some foil underneath it just to catch in case anything gets messy. And then I'll put a piece on top as well. A couple of pieces of foil will just keep things cleaned up well. Just like this. Just fold these in here. And then I like to fold the outside edge. Just a little trick for you. If you've cooked a little bit, you know you like to kind of make a little bit of a fold down there. Then you want to spray things. So here's my pan. And even if you're not spraying because you want things to clean up easy, you want the chicken to not stick to your pan. So that will work well for that. Then I get my foil out of the way here. Anything you don't need, you want to get out of your way while you're working. Now for the chicken, here we go. It's almost like it's a buttermilk, but that mayonnaise, like that with the Dijon, that's going to be good. This is going to be a tasty dish for sure. Now we'll try to pull these out of here without making a mess. And just lay them out here on your cookie sheet or broiler pan. Now I bought this one in case I wanted to make fried chicken, or I wanted to cook some meat like that in the broiler. I have another one which I use for my bacon, but this particular one here, you could set the chicken right on top of it with the grates. So I'm going to use it for that one of these times. But for now, today's we're just laying these out on here. really fits 4 better than 5, but just kind of get them in there like that. And then of course you want to throw this mix away, never use it for anything else. That chicken like that. There you go. Then you're going to put it in the broiler. And I have a timer here that I'll hit for 8 minutes once the broiler beeps that it's up to temperature. Today I want to do a review of the salad shooter. You know, for so many years we cut up everything to make a salad, but these salad shooters are pretty neat. So I pulled a few things out of the refrigerator and just get the paper off this cucumber here. You actually have to cut up a few things before you put it in. It has to fit inside the salad shooter. If it won't go down the chute, you can't cut it up. So that fell right in. Pretty simple, easy to use. So if your salad shooter gets plugged up because there's something that it doesn't like to cut, and it looks like it does not like the bell peppers, so you'll have to do the bell peppers by hand. I don't remember, maybe I haven't cut bell peppers in the past, so we know for the future. But one thing I like is that carrots kind of clean things up. So we'll put the carrots in. And if things get plugged up, you have to stop and take it apart. So it's not the absolute perfect thing to make, but it makes for kind of a neat salad. So as you can see, easy to take apart, but when things get plugged up, you have to go back to cutting things up manually. So I don't think I need to say too much about the salad shooter. I think you just saw how a salad shooter works. Good, bad, makes for kind of a neat vegetable salad. And then I'm going to custom make the salad dressing. Okay, I have the hard-boiled eggs for us that we're going to use for our salad. And the broiler just beeped that it's up to temperature. So we'll start our 8-minute timer. Now that the salad is all done, I have a few things to throw in here. Just some tomatoes, like that. Then I have calamari olives. And I'll get my tossing tongs and toss all that. Salad is done for now. Looks like our mixed vegetables are looking good. I boiled them with butter. Give them a little stir. I didn't take them off the burner, I just turned the burner off. That way the pan stays a little bit warm. I don't expect it they'll burn. Put a lid on there to keep them warm. Now I made some eggs. And for the eggs, what I want to do here, just to very carefully put them in a shaking jar. And they should break. come out of the shells fairly easy. Just like this. Look at that. Isn't that a great idea? Shake them in a jar. Look at that. One more. There we go. Then we'll just pitch everything. And we can start to talk about our salad dressing. So the salad dressing I'm going to make is going to be a Caesar. So there is measurements for this, and if you'd like to see the measurements, you can click down where it says subscribe and then hit the more button and you'll see the details. But I think a lot of people that make salad dressing from scratch just kind of put a little bit of everything in, because that's kind of how it works, and it tastes pretty good when you do that. So I have some olive oil. Start with that. Worcestershire sauce for Bugs Bunny. Some garlic. You can always put in more later if you want. Salt. Pepper. I like pepper. Lemon juice. Next, we have some Dijon mustard. Now I use this as the base in the marinade for the chicken. So my plan is just to squirt some mayonnaise in the jar, just like this, and then give it a shake to absorb the rest of the Dijon mustard. Then I should be able to squirt it out, just like that. And I think I'll do it one more time, just to make sure I got it all. And this is all there is to Caesar salad dressing. And it's time to turn over our chicken. So let's go do that. I just rinsed the eggs. Even though you cut the shells off, you still could have some shells. So I'm just going to cut these up a little bit, just like this. Kind of have a mind of their own. I want to roll around. I need square eggs so they don't roll around. See, it's a little small right here. Make them look nice. One more. Okay, there's our eggs. And then I need to whisk our salad dressing and in just a few minutes, the chicken will be done. I have a thermometer and I'm going to check to make sure it's somewhere near 165. Now I'm just going to serve up the salad, and we are almost to where the chicken is done. There's our timer. We'll stop that, get that chicken out of the oven. I checked it a minute ago with the thermometer, and they are done. Here's our salad dressing. Put that right on top like that. Here's the chicken, and you want to check it and double check it to make sure that it is 165 in the end. Then I have my mixed vegetables with butter sauce. These will be delicious. There we go. So wow, here's our meal. And I have a couple of other shows that are right here that are related to this, and if you'll click on them, the video will continue.